guys, welcome to my video. My name is Rifatul Karoma. You can call me Rifa. I will explain about quantities and amounts and how to use much, many, and a lot of. Do you know about them? Sebelum kita mengetahui apa itu quantities and amount, kita juga perlu tahu apa sih singular and plural. Singular adalah kata yang menunjukkan jumlah itu satu atau tunggal. Contoh, she has a cat. Artinya satu kucing. Oke, yang kedua adalah plural. Plural adalah kata yang menunjukkan jumlahnya itu lebih dari satu, tetapi tetap dihitung. Biasanya di akhir kata tersebut itu ditambahi s atau es. Contoh yang s adalah books, apples, cats. Oke, yang kedua adalah es. Kata yang ditambahi es itu biasanya kata yang berakhiran dengan ch, sh, s, x, dan z. Contoh buses, boxes, whizzes. Sedangkan kata yang berakhiran dengan huruf y itu bisa menggunakan s maupun es. Yang s itu adalah huruf yang berakhiran y dan sebelum huruf y itu adalah huruf vokal. Contoh, boys, boys. Sedangkan yang es itu sebaliknya, sebelum huruf y adalah huruf konsonan. Contoh, puppies, puppies. Oke, next kita akan membahas quantities and amounts. Keduanya sama-sama dari quantifiers, yakni kata yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan jumlah, tetapi ada banyak macam tergantung dari jenis benda tersebut. Quantities adalah countable noun, benda yang bisa dihitung. Contoh seperti book, table, care, cat. Jadi bisa dihitung seperti one book, two cat. Oke, sedangkan amounts itu adalah benda yang tidak bisa dihitung atau uncountable noun. Emang ada benda yang tidak bisa dihitung? Ada, benda tersebut tidak bisa dihitung tetapi bisa diukur. Contoh seperti water, sugar, hair, ataupun time. Jadi non tersebut itu tidak bisa dihitung melalui 1, 2, 3, 4, tapi bisa dihitung atau diungkapkan melalui adjektif seperti a long, much, a large. Oke, terdapat kesimpulan dari penjelasan tadi kalau singular itu adalah satu, sedangkan plural itu lebih dari satu. Quantities itu countable noun, and amount itu adalah uncountable noun. Sampai di sini teman-teman paham? Oke, kita sekarang membahas tentang expression atau ungkapan kalau benda tersebut itu banyak. Di sini ada much, money, lot of. Much, many, lot of. Ketiga kata tersebut itu berarti banyak kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia. Bagaimana sekarang kita menggunakan much, money, and lot of? Oke, yang pertama ada many. Many digunakan untuk countable noun atau benda yang bisa dihitung. Contoh, many tables, many books, many friends, many boyfriends. Contoh dalam kalimat, I have many friends. Aku punya teman banyak. Yang kedua ada much. Much digunakan untuk uncountable noun atau benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Contoh, much sugar, much time. How much sugar in this coffee? I I don't have much time. Can you hurry up? Less ada a lot of. A lot of bisa digunakan untuk countable noun atau uncountable noun. Jadi kalau kamu males mikir mau menggunakan much atau many, kamu bisa menggunakan a lot of. They buy a lot of tickets. Itu sama dengan they buy many tickets. Yang kedua ada I got a lot of going on in my life. Itu sama dengan I got much going on in my life. Oke, dari penjelasan yang begitu banyak tadi, sekarang aku mau ngadain kuis. Jadi teman-teman itu lebih tahu seberapa paham sih aku terhadap penjelasan yang sudah aku jelasin tadi. Oke, question pertama. She owns so houses in Bali. Yes, she owns so many houses in Bali. Question kedua. How days left till 2024? Right. How many days left till 2024? I had so fun in this weekend. Bingo! I had so much fun in this weekend.
Once upon a time in the Prambanan area lived a king with name Ratu Baga. Ratu Baga famous with his bad behavior. He also cruel and liked to eat human because he is cannibal and also a giant. Many kingdoms near Prambanan kingdom that want to losing Ratu Baga, but no one can losing his. And someday that had a handsome with power man with name Bondowoso. Bondowoso had a weapon with name Bandung, and he also called with name Bandung Bondowoso. Bandung Bondowoso also had a soldier of genie that always helping him, and he want to go to Prambanan Palace and fight Ratu Baga. With the hard work, finally Bandung Bondowoso can win the fight and can stand in the Prambanan Palace, and Ratu Baga is killed by Bandung Bondowoso. Bandung Bondowoso saw a beautiful lady in the Prambanan kingdom. Without he knows the beautiful lady is Roro Jonggrang. She was a daughter of Ratu Baga that killed by Bandung Bondowoso. He fall in love with her with love first eyesight, and finally he want to propose Roro Jonggrang to be his wife. In the reality, that Roro Jonggrang also fall in love with Bandung Bondowoso. But after she knows that Bandung Bondowoso was a person that killed her father, her love changed to be hate feeling, and finally she got the idea to the nine proposed from Bandung Bondowoso. I'm willing to be your empress, but there are conditions. If you success in fulfilling it, then I will marry you. But if you fail, then let me live here. Whatever you ask for, I will definitely give it. If I fail, then you don't have to live here. I will return this kingdom to you. Then make me 1,000 temples in one night. Everything must be finished before the sun rises. Sumi, we have to do something. Look, temple is almost ready. Roro Jonggrang and Bisumi then slipped out of the room and hid the two ladies in waiting room, which was not far from the room. Bisumi then ordered by loyal ladies in waiting and kingdom court to collect straw. She said, We will burn this straw so that the sky will appear white, a sign that the sun has risen. Hearing the sound of a rooster, Bandung Bondowoso and the genies were shocked. They looked up at the sky, which was already quite bright. Wow, it turns out it's morning. We have to go, shouted the genies as they hurried away. Roro Jonggrang will not be able to avoid it. He then immediately looked for Roro Jonggrang to report on the temples he had built. Roro Jonggrang then counted the temples that had been completed. 9 and 97, 9 and 98, 9 and 99, and the number is one less. Bandung Bondowoso could believe what he was hearing. He then counted the number of temples himself, and it turned out that it was true. The temple preached by the Jin troop only number 9 and 19.